am so tired today. I had to take my kids solo trick-or-treating because my husband's on nights. It's still dark out.
Oh yeah, you have level 11, so you're
It is 4:05 a.m. and my kids are already up. We ended up staying up and watching Casper and Halloween Town, and we had popcorn, and they ate the pot roast that was in the crock pot when we got home. But it's Saturday and I got shit to do. So let's get ready for the day. Already did my morning stretches too. You want to brush your teeth? Alright. Hold on. And, I'm going to go ahead and apologize now. The lighting in my bathroom is terrible. It's the original bathroom from 1952, I think, or 53, 54. Here, brush your teeth. Right. I was gonna do makeup today, but I think I'm just gonna do my skincare and call it a day. Because I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna be cleaning and hanging out with my kids all day. Sorry, my kids are loud in the mornings. They wake up and they're like ready to go. Know if this makes a difference? I always wash my face in cold water, no warm on. I go up with my, and I always get my neck. One other thing I always do is I always brush my eyebrows, even when I'm not wearing makeup. Which, I get my eyebrows waxed and tinted, so I feel like they always look pretty decent. And I gotta do something with this hair. Chapstick, always. Hold on, Molly, I'm coming. And now my dog needs to be walked. But I got my skincare done, got my deodorant on, brushed my teeth. I gotta throw some clothes on, fix my hair. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Look at this. And then I gotta get my kids dressed for the day, and then I'm just gonna get stuff done around my house. I can't see any. I can't see without contacts or glasses. Normally for my videos, I just wear my contacts because they have a really bad glare. But I'm gonna get my day started. Happy Saturday, everyone.